Hello student, good morning. Today we have discussed about the lesson 5 food, health and hygiene. You know that in previous online class we have discussed about the different types of nutrients like carbohydrate, fats, proteins, vitamins, minerals, water and roughage. So in this video we have discussed about the other factors that those are affecting our health. But before that we discuss about the homework. Those are given in previous online class. First you see the homework. Hello student, as you know that on 22nd July I have given homework, read and revise the explained topics of lesson 5. I hope you have read and revised the explained topics of lesson 5, and I request you please in comment box you have write name, class and section, and also subscribe my channel for getting latest video of science. Okay, whatever you got the homework, plus you first you complete the homework and revise next video, and from tomorrow onwards I will revise the lesson PT syllabus. PT syllabus means lesson first to lesson third. So God bless you. Okay, in this video we had discussed about the other factors affecting our health. You know that in previous online class nutrients also affect our growth. And nutrients, you know that carbohydrate, proteins, fats, vitamins, minerals, roughage, water. In other factors, first exercise. Exercise also very important for our body, just like food items, nutrients. You know that after sometimes you want on in every morning exercise is very important. All the students want to do the sub exercise like yoga, and younger children means those are growing conditions, and exercise is very necessary for children as well as other adult persons. Now next, rest. Rest is also very important for our body, and you know that continuously when do work, and one stage is we feel tiredness, and that stage you want to rest, and from rest our body feel freshness, and when we go to sound sleep, then after sound sleep, then body, brain, nervous system, then they got the freshness. So rest is very important. Next, cleanliness. Cleanliness also very important. Nails also, remove nails, long nails and dirt from nails, and also you know that bath, daily bath also very important for our body, very necessary for our body, because bath, due to bath, you know that bath remove the dead cells, body cells, sweat and other dust germs also remove. Okay, so bathing is also very important. So cleanliness is also very important, cleanliness our body. And now next is diseases. You know that diseases also affect the growth of body, growth of our health, affecting our health. Diseases are two types: communicable and non-communicable. Communicable and non-communicable. Now we discuss about the one by one. First, communicable. What do you mean by communicable disease? Communicable disease are disease that are transfer one person to another person, means sick person to healthy person, and this such type of disease is called communicable disease. Example, all bacteria, virus diseases like typhoid and polio, chickenpox, jaundice, etc. All bacterial disease, viral disease, protozoan disease are belong to communicable diseases. Now next, non-communicable diseases, disease that cannot spread from one person to another person, means from healthy person to sick person, means sick person to healthy person, not spread, means not transferred to one person to another person, and such type of disease is called non-communicable disease, like very rickets. You know that very rickets are nutritional deficiency disease, and they cannot spread from one person to another person. Okay, here some communicable diseases are given, and disease caused by and sources. Here I take only 9 diseases, communicable diseases. First, cholera. Cholera disease is caused by the bacteria, and sources food, contaminated food, water and place. These are the sources of cholera. Next, typhoid disease caused by bacteria. Typhoid disease caused by bacteria. Sources food and water. Next, third number, polio. Polio is caused by virus, and sources air. Polio virus move in the air, and contaminated air caused polio disease. Then next, malaria. Malaria is caused by the protozoa, and sources vector mosquito. Okay. Next, dysentery. Dysentery is caused by the protozoa, and sources food and water. And next disease is jaundice. Jaundice is caused by the bacteria. And sources polluted water. Contaminated water caused jaundice, because jaundice bacteria found in contaminated water. Digestive disorder is caused by the tapeworm, roundworm, and these are protozoa. The sources food, contaminated food, water and soil. Okay. Next, dengue fever. Dengue fever is caused by the virus, and this is caused by the virus, and sources air. Next, AIDS virus infected syringe or blood or infected person to other person. Communicable diseases is caused by the germs. And how to prevent communicable disease? So here, prevention of communicable diseases. First point, the house should be disinfectant, means one day, twice times sweep and mop the floor of the house, and when you mopping the floor of the house, use disinfectant like Lysol or other chemicals. Next, the house should be have with good ventilation and open space, proper windows and doors also, uh, they work as a good ventilation in the house. Next, third point, drinking water should be clean and pure. If you use the hand pump pipe or well or other sources of water, first you clean the water, then use for the drinking. Use filter, or in market many varieties of filters are available. Use the filters or use the chemical for filtration, and then the use for drinking. So here drinking water should be clean and pure. Next point, fourth point, the area around your home where you live should be neat and clean. Where your home where you live in your surrounding area should be neat and clean, so that neither flies or nor mosquito can be breed there. If you water logging or other problems in your surrounding areas, may fleas and mosquitoes breed and grow, and they causes the disease. Next, drains should be kept covered. You know that uh, drains should be covered. And next, 6 number, children should be vaccinated properly against the disease like TB, tuberculosis, chicken pox, and other diseases, polio, and other vaccines are available in the market. And so children should be vaccinated properly against the disease. In this method, we can prevent the communicable disease. Next topic is hygiene. Health and hygiene both are related to each other. And here in hygiene include the cleanliness of the body and surrounding areas. First, you know that the bathing, at least 2 times bathing, and you know that bathing remove the dead cells and dust and dirt from the body, and they keep body fresh. And next, if your nails are long and dirty, then remove the long nails and remove the dirty from your nails. And twice, when you before eating and after eating, wash your hand in properly. Use hand wash, and brush at least 2 times. Brush regularly. They keep your body health and hygiene. And in your surrounding areas, keep where you live, keep proper clean. And those are waste material, throw in dustbins, and use the dustbins for this purpose. Now all student, you have take a copy and pen. Now write homework of lesson 5, food, health and hygiene, date 24th July. And homework is read and revise the explained topics of lesson 5. Means you have revised the exercise, rest, cleanliness, and communicable diseases, and how to prevent communicable diseases and hygiene. In proper way you have read the lesson in proper way, and also revise the explained topics. So all students, please keep in mind, revise it proper way. And in comment box you have write name, class and section for your attendance. And also subscribe my channel for getting latest video. And whatever you got the homework, first to revise, then learn proper way. Here I have seen, you know that many students watch the video, but in comment box not write the name, class and section. So I request you, in comment box you have write name, class and section. This is a very important for your attendance. This is your activity, so all students do it in proper way. God bless you. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe.